Hello land surveying friends. Our app, Apglos Survey Wizard, you can connect it with any GNSS receiver that sends out NMEA strings through Bluetooth. So you can also connect it with this GNSS receiver. It's the Geode GNSS receiver of Juniper. And in this video we will show you what you get when you buy this GNSS receiver of Juniper. Let's see what is inside the box.
I will unbox the Juniper Geode GNSS multi-GNSS receiver. I have it here in front of me. So let's see what is inside. First I have to open the box. A small quick start guide for the Geode Juniper GNSS receiver. There is inside this plastic bag the receiver itself. So let's open it up. Very tiny receiver. It has a 9-pin port, as you can see on the back. Of course, where you can mount the rod. And on the front you see a power on off button. There is also place for an external antenna and a USB-B port as well. So let's see what is more inside. There's of course the power plug, and we have a power plug. I think this is for it will open. This is for the United States, I guess. And there we have another one. I don't know which country this is, but and there we have the European adapter. What else? Here we have the, let me see what's inside. And here we can see the adapter, and for the European market we have to mount this one, and then with the USB we can charge the receiver. USB cable, it will go inside here, and so we can charge the receiver. What else? There's another thing inside. Oh, they pack all these things quite... A copper pole adapter. You can screw it on the bottom of the GNSS receiver so we can attach it to the carbon rod. So again, let me show you everything what is inside. Complete. So if I can summarize everything up, what's inside, we have the adapter, and I already attached the European one. We have, I don't know this country, the USA, the cable with the USB connector and the USB-B connector, and the GNSS receiver, and also the mount for the carbon rod.
If you like this video about unboxing this Geode GNSS receiver of Juniper, then you can also check out this video next to me, or this, I don't know anymore.